Hello everybody and welcome back, and today we are going to learn about clones. So clones are also pretty important in Scratch. Clones are basically making clones. You can make clones of other things such as myself or another sprite. So if we press create clone, it will make a clone. And right now it doesn't do anything. Even when we press the green, it disappears. So it's really cool making a clone, but clones are basically more advanced types of stamp. Stamp is leaving it just like it is. In clones, you can move it or change it. Yeah. So we're going to see move 10 steps and then make a clone. So it's gonna move and then make a clone and then make a clone and then move 10 steps, make a clone, move 10 steps, make a clone, and do that 10 times. Then it will make 10 clones, 10 steps out of the way from each other. So yeah, so we've made it. But right now these clones don't do anything. When we press the green flag, they disappear. So how do we change this? We use when I start as a clone. That means when a clone starts as a clone. So we can move 10 steps forever, and then so when we start as a clone, when the clone comes up, it will move 10 steps forever. So that, yeah. Right now it's quite weird. So we're going to see what it actually is. Yeah, so it made one clone, and then the clone started moving forever. Oh, maybe it's because it made the clones too fast. Anyways, we're not gonna do that. And let's say, change color. That will change the color of the cat. Color, and let's just put this. So if this is getting too hard and too fast, then put it in the comments below and I will try to change it. So yeah, we are now going to put try it out. Yeah, so it changed only once. Because we only told it to change color once and then keep cloning. So we yeah, so right now it's a bit weird. I don't know why it's only changing color. Let's try this. Yeah, there we go. That's quite cool. That's really cool. So we can move this place. That's cool. But don't try to make too many because it lags a lot if you have too much, and I think it can make over 300 or 500. So that's really cool. So yeah. So let's see what these clones can actually do really well. To go. So just delete all those clones. And we are going to delete this cat. Right click and delete it. And we're going to get a new costume. You don't need to do this. We will do it in the next video. So get this, maybe a ball. And yeah, so we're going to put it in the center, somewhere in the middle. We're going to put when clicked, repeat 10, create a clone of myself. It's going to make 10 clones of itself. So under there, that's 10 clones. And we're going to do, when I start as a clone, we will move forever. I'm going to put a little weight in there. And so basically we're telling it to wait 0.3 seconds and then make a clone and then wait and then make a clone. So when I start as a clone, we're going to forever move 3 steps. So it's going to move forever 3 steps. So, and we're going to put this block. This means if on the edge of this area or play field or whatever you want to call it, if it's on the edge of them, then of the stage, then it bounces off. So we're going to put that and see what. Yeah, so it's really slow right now. It's really weird, but it's still quite cool. I'm just gonna change the rotation. Yeah, so I'm going to try changing that. Yeah, so I'm going to just put that randomly. It's gonna turn. Okay. We're going to put oh yeah, these are this one's. So we are going to put, this is quite hard, so we're going to put an if else block. It's not just the if block, but if something happens and if it doesn't happen, then do this. So we're going to put this, move 5 steps, then if on edge bounce, so move steps, if yeah, there we go. Yeah, and we're going to put a sensing touching edge, so that means edge of the plate. So that, oh, that's quite cool. Maybe put it. No, this is good. Yeah, so we don't need this. And see if we repeat more times, like 500, then it's gonna start lagging once we get a lot of them. Yeah, it's like going in a good line. Yeah, but once we get a lot of them, they're gonna start lagging. It's gonna start lagging very soon. If we have too many balls. Yeah. Oh, okay. Yeah, it's a bit slow. Yeah. So, yeah, hope you find that not too hard. And, yeah, if it's too hard, then you can just, I don't know. Anyways, just, I hope you didn't find that too hard, and see you in the next video. Bye.